Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to discuss about the glycolysis. Glycolysis is the process in which glucose molecules are converted into two molecules of the pyruvate. These glucose molecules are converted into two molecules of pyruvate. During this process, there are more energy released in the form of ATP and NADH. These NADH are going into electron transcription and make the more molecules of the ATP. So glycolysis is basically the process which form the metabolic pathway. Metabolic pathway is include the two process in one which glucose moiety is breakdown. So breakdown of molecules is known as kata, and second one there is two pyruvate molecules are the formed. So we can say that formation of the molecules, this process is known as anabolism, and these two processes are together called the metabolism. So basically we can say that glycolysis is a metabolic pathway. After these pyruvate molecules are in the presence of mitochondria and oxygen are going into Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle in which a lot of energy released, and this types of glycolysis is called the aerobic glycolysis. In the other hand, these two pyruvate molecules are goes into the process in which the mitochondria and the oxygen are the absent. This types of process is known as the anaerobic process or anaerobic glycolysis. In this process, these two pyruvate molecules are converted into lactic acid. So there is a question arise that which kind of cells don't have the mitochondria and the oxygen. So basically the answer is RBCs, red blood cells. Red blood cells carry the oxygen from the lungs to the tissues, and these cells are the very honestly transport cells. Yes, these cells don't use this oxygen in their metabolism. These cells are only carry the oxygen from the lungs to the various tissues, and in this cells the metabolism are glycolysis, which kind of anaerobic glycolysis, in which the oxygen are not included and two pyruvate molecules are converted into the lactic acid. Thank you so much.